Hello, today we will guide you through how to scan QR code on Exness App. To get started, open the Exness App on your phone and make sure you are on the main screen. This process is typically part of setting up or changing your security method, so it helps to have your device ready and a stable internet connection available before you continue. Once the app is open, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Profile. This section is where you can manage your personal account options, preferences, and security settings. If you are following along in real time, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct area before moving on. Next, tap on the Settings icon at the top right of the screen. Settings is where the app keeps important controls related to your account, including login and protection features. If you do not immediately recognize the icon, it is usually shown as a small gear symbol. From there, tap on Security Type. This option lets you choose or update the method used to protect your account. If you are setting up a QR code scan, this is the area where the app begins guiding you toward authenticator-based security. After opening Security Type, tap on Change. This tells the app that you want to update your current security method. Depending on your device, the screen may take a second to load, so give it a moment if needed. Now tap on Authenticator. This is the option that usually works with an Authenticator app where a QR code is scanned to connect your account securely. Make sure you read anything shown on the screen carefully, since this setup is connected to account protection. Once you select Authenticator, tap on Next. This will move you forward in the setup flow and prepare the app for the next stage. At this point, the app may show brief instructions or confirmation text, so it is a good idea to review what is on the screen before continuing. Finally, tap on Get Started. This is the step that begins the Authenticator setup process, including the point where you would scan the QR code using your Authenticator app if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions closely and make sure your camera or Authenticator app is ready if needed. That's it. By following these steps, you can reach the QR code setup area in the Exness app and begin configuring Authenticator-based security. Take your time with each screen and be sure to complete the setup carefully so your account stays protected.